welcome to another edition of a Whiteboard Wednesday. Tonight we're going to discuss a little bit more about setting up a customer profile, what customer profiles are, and how they're used for your business, right? And how we use them to better segment our audience so that we can create specialized targeting messaging too. This is something you're going to have to think about for your individual projects, so I wanted to take a few quick moments, talk about customer profiles, right? So we see on the screen here, this is a very basic example of a customer profile. We are trying to create these customer profiles to mimic a very specific group of people and why they're purchasing our products, some of their demographics, and so that we can create targeted messaging for them. In this situation, we're going to pretend like I am the owner of an online store that sells watches, right? There's lots of different types of watches. There's lots of reasons why people purchase watches. So for example, we have Mike here. Some of Mike's demographics, and now I should back up for a second. When we give a name like this, we are trying to put more of a humanistic element to it. Mike is representative of a whole type of people, a whole segment of people, right? So Mike, demographics 22 to 35 years old, male, makes about $40,000 a year, is a technology lover, right? So Mike loves technology and he wants to be seen using his technology. He wants to be noticed for something different and chooses an online store for watches that has different types of brands and keeps him informed in the latest trends. Okay, that's the basic customer profile for Mike. Now, some of these are going to seem a little exaggerated, but that's okay. So when we're looking at this customer profile, we know who Mike is, why he wants the products he wants, why he possibly might shop for us, because he's not going directly to Apple to purchase a smartwatch. He might want something different. And based on him and his wanting to know the latest trends, we might develop content on our website that specifically addresses smartwatches and the latest trends that they have. This might be a good strategy based on this customer segment. Lisa, right, is another type of customer segment here. Lisa might be 18 to 35 years old, female, makes about $60,000 a year, and is an athlete. Leah is also looking for smartwatches, but she's looking for smartwatches in a different way, right? She wants an online store to purchase her watch, and she wants great customer service and a company that can help her with repairs and technical difficulties when she's out on her next adventure. Because running outside a lot, athletic, mountains, hiking, all those activities, no doubt something's going to happen to that piece of a smartwatch. So she's looking for an online company where she can order from, but also get great customer service. So if this is someone who fits or model my company, maybe that's something that we offer, 24/7 customer support, emergency repair services, something where they can mail in or have someone come out to their house and fix their smartwatch. Okay, but just another type of group that we might be able to segment. So for her, we're going to have very specific watches, right? And people that fall within her segment. Maybe not the most expensive smartwatches out there, but things that focus on heart rates and all that type of equipment that an athlete might want. Okay? So Bill, we got two more to talk about here. And these actually, guys, these are exactly how these get presented in meetings. I've been part of teams that present this type of information. They're a little bit more detailed, a little bit more involved, these customer personas or profiles, like we call them, than this. I've been on the receiving end where I've worked with companies that are pitching my company that I work for. Part of that too. And this is exactly what we go through. It seems dramatic, it seems a little bit over the top, but this is how we develop these personas, okay? So Bill's our third one. Bill's 35 to 60 years old, so a pretty wide range gap there. Male that makes over $100,000 a year, businessman, right? That's what we're looking at. Bill's looking for a classic watch that tells a story about who he is, right? He's looking for that piece that's luxurious, right? He wants a retailer who he can trust to select something that's well made and is going to have that luxurious feel and help him select that because he doesn't have time to himself, nor does he want to spend that time to himself. So Obviously he's going to be our luxury market representative there, right? To that group of people and the type of thing that they want, right? Maybe a concierge service would be something we'd want to market to this person. Maybe just ability online where you can kind of pick your overall style that you like and have watches selected for you, that type of thing. Okay? And finally, our last customer profile here, oops, is Kylie. Kylie is younger, 22 to 45-year-old female, $60,000 medium income a year income level, really loves fashion, right? She doesn't care about the materials that go into making her watch, just the name who made it. Into fashion. The watch has become her signature statement piece. She's looking for many name brands or newcome designers at a great price, right? So the more available that we have on our website, the better it offers to meet Kaylee's needs. Okay, she's looking for that name brand designer. She wants it to be well priced because she wants to own multiple with them to change with her outfits. It's becoming her variety of a statement piece. Okay? So these are 4 pretend customer profiles that we'd create for my pretend online watch business. But again, getting a glimpse of what a customer profile is and how we use them. Because now we can base marketing strategies based off of these segments, creating very targeted messages that resonate with each and every one of them. The luxurious watch brand concierge service isn't going to resonate probably with Mike, our first one, who's looking at smartwatches because he loves technology. Okay, that messaging isn't going to reach that demographic. Remember that the more products you sell, the more people are going to be purchasing those products for different reasons, even if it's something all in the same category like a watch. Okay? This is Whiteboard Wednesday. If you have more questions, interested in learning more about customer profiles or anything else we talked about, please let me know.